Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I thought I would do a fun video that I've gotten a couple email questions about, which is a holiday tag video. So I'm going to read some of the tag questions and then I'm going to answer them for you. Kind of get to know Rose better, say, oh, why, hello there, I didn't know that about the holidays. Gonna look deeply and darkly into my strange psyche and go, oh, whoa, what are mommy vloggers really like? I feel like that needs dramatic music. I'm gonna put that in editing. Okay, number one question. What is my favorite holiday movie? White Christmas. I mean, that's one's easy. I love White Christmas. I have been coveting those White Christmas dresses at the end sequence with the little fur and the red dresses. Oh, I want those. I would also like a cape. A Christmas cape. That would be awesome. Yes, White Christmas. I love the music. I just think it's a really fun movie. It may have some weird overtones now, but I do enjoy that film. Am I on the naughty or nice list? I mean, if you ask my kid, he's gonna say, Mom, you're so mean. You didn't let me rub toothpaste on the TV for a third time this morning. So he would say I'm naughty and mean. I try to be on the good list. I really do. I try to spend time every year and effort every day, you know, making the world a little bit happier or a little bit more joyful than if I weren't in it, right? Trying to contribute in small ways. So I'm gonna hope the nice list. Have you ever had a white Christmas? Does my glow-in-the-dark white skin count? No? Okay. You know, I don't think I have actually, which is silly because it snows where I live, right? British Columbia gets snow often, even though I live right near the water at Christmas time. But I tend to visit family in California right on Christmas. So I've had New Year's that are white, filled with snow, but I haven't had Christmases because I tend to travel. But this year, hopefully I'm going to be home and maybe we'll get snow. I don't know. It's looking like a warm December. We'll see. Do I start my Christmas shopping on Black Friday or do I wait until the last minute? That's it. You know what? I don't really shop for Christmas presents. What I tend to do is I tend to make them. I might make some art, but generally what I make is I bake. I bake a whole bunch of different cookies. Sometimes I make little miniature, like cherry pies and stuff. And then I give tasty sweet baked goods in cute little containers, like little tins. Or one year I did little glitter covered Chinese takeout boxes. And I like to give baked goods because, you know, everybody that I'm close with, they can get their own present. There's nothing that I can give them that they really need. So I'd rather just give them something tasty with a nice sweet card. But I do shop after Christmas sometimes for the sales for things that maybe my family needs. And I have shopped on Black Friday once or twice. But I just find that the deals aren't that great, not really. And it's just a little chaotic. So I tend to bake and then shop in the new year. If I could be in any Christmas movie, what would it be? I mean, can I say White Christmas because that's my favorite one? It's a Wonderful Life, kind of downer, not sure I want to be in that one. Yeah, I think any Christmas movie though, where I get to be Santa Claus would be fun. Or maybe a reindeer, if I could be Rudolph, that would be pretty cool too. I'll take that. Is my Christmas tree real or fake? I was trying to like do my presentation dance. This tree is real. It's a Douglas fir. You can watch the Great Christmas Tree Hunt vlog that I posted of us picking this up. We went to a tree farm and chopped it down. Yeah, I posted that already. So you can check that out and see it. But it is real. Many years I have a fake tree though because I do have allergies to some pine sap and stuff that can make me all rashy. But this one's real. And it's really quite lovely. I need to water. In fact, I've been watering every day. I've been trying to be good about that. Yeah. Do you like real or fake trees? What are your favorite? I love the simplicity of a fake tree, but I gotta say, my first real tree in years, it was really easy. Comparatively, you know, I borrowed a friend's pickup, and just kind of hauled it over, and it was pretty easy. So maybe I've been converted to the real tree. I don't know. I always thought that I was a fake tree kind of lady, but maybe not. Can I name all of Santa's reindeer? Look, no. Blitzen, Blizzard, Comet. Hold on. Snorkel? No, I have no idea. I really don't know. Yep. Dasher. Dashing? Prancer? Yeah. How many reindeer are there? Okay, I don't even know the answer to that. Yep. Fail on that one. Sorry, guys. Nobody's perfect. When does my family put up our tree and who decorates it? My family is my son and I. So, I mean, I like to put up a tree the weekend after the American Thanksgiving. That's my favorite time. I like to have it all the end of November and all through December. And then I decorate it. My son always helps. He broke a decoration this year. He always breaks decorations because I have soft decorations that are friendly or non-breakable decorations that he can put up. And I make sure I hand those to him. I keep him at his height, and he always wants to grab the ones he's not allowed to touch. And he always ends up breaking them. He even broke a friend's last year, his godfather, and it was a valued family ornament. So my son and I decorated together. This year we invited some of my son's little friends over, and we decorated. It was pretty fun, I gotta say. Do I peek at gifts or do I want to be surprised? I don't get a lot of presents. I might get like a sweater from my mom, and sometimes a friend might give me like a flannel shirt or a bag of C's chocolate balls. I don't tend to get a lot of presents, so I'm okay with being surprised. But yeah, the relatives and friends I have do not buy me presents. Show us your ugly Christmas sweater. So this is my ugliest Christmas sweater. Oh, hello. And I think it's pretty ridiculous, and it's more the cut of it. You can look at some of my Christmas Instagram photos, you can see it better, and it's a very boxy one. But I love it because it's warm, and I like it. I don't think it's that hideous, but it's definitely like a no grandma Christmas sweater. If I could be under the mistletoe with anyone, who would it be? I mean, that's tough. I don't have a significant other. I'm single currently. So I would say a significant other would be lovely to have under the mistletoe. I would love that. Yeah, that would be lovely. I like that. Good New Year's resolution. Find me a fabulous feller. They think I'm fabulous. So yeah, maybe next year I will have someone under the mistletoe. You never know. Miracles happen. As all my siblings pair off, I'm like, thanks guys. Thanks for letting me be the last one to be single. I see how it is. I'm gonna throw mistletoe at them this year. All those happily coupled up people. So unfair. I like to tease them about that. I'm like, you know the rules are, you guys are younger than me, you are not allowed to be paired up. Jane Austen would have said you cannot go out into society until I am married off. They disagree with that. Does my family have a special holiday recipe? I always like to make challah French toast on Christmas morning with fresh squeezed orange juice. And then we kind of have a family tradition of doing some kind of nice soup. Sometimes we'll do gnocchi vegetable soup. Sometimes we'll do split pea soup on Christmas Eve. And that's kind of fun. But I wouldn't say, yeah, those are all kind of my recipe and not family recipes from my great grandmother, something like that on my mother's side. So the German side, we have some holiday cookies that are an old recipe. So that's kind of a holiday recipe. But I don't actually tend to make it because my mother guards that recipe with her life. And she's, we can get it out of her cold dead hands. That's her philosophy. Now she makes them vegan though, and they are rock hard. They are impossible to eat. I love those cookies. And using the margarine, the vegan fake butter just does not work. It makes them too crispy. Am I a pro present wrapper? Oh yeah, or just an amateur? Oh, I can wrap. I can do bows. I will write with a little glitter pen and accent the Christmas paper to make it look gorgeous. I can do Hanukkah wrapping. I can do, fabulous solstice wrapping. I can do the Christmas wrapping. I can do it. I've got the power of Have I ever gone Christmas caroling? No, that's an easy one. I really haven't. Nope. I think that sounds fun. I just never known any group of people who went Christmas caroling, so nope. What tops my tree? Let me show you. So it is a straw star that I bought from a German import Christmas decoration store, and I hunted it down for years. I mean, I spent years and years looking for this thing because I have all of the, you can see it here, the little straw ornaments that I love, and I wanted a big topper like that. So I really love that. It just sits on top. It's very lightweight. I like it a lot. Do I make New Year's resolutions? And if I do I stick to them? That is a great question. I used to make New Year's resolutions. I used to do it every year and I used to be really good about sticking to it. And then lately I've been kind of much more into being versus doing, you know, just existing instead of checking things off a list. And so lately I haven't been. I've just been trying to live my day-to-day life every year more joyfully and more as though it was right after resolution, right? And you're really excited. Just do that all the time. So I don't anymore, but I used to. What's your New Year's resolution? I would love to hear that. Tell me in the comments. But live joyfully and tell me your resolution. If I could be granted one Christmas wish, what would it be? Oh man, that's impossible. World peace, world happiness, right? Like that's the one that would change everything. In my personal life, I don't know. I would really like to focus on my family and grow my family and meeting a nice person to grow my family with. So maybe that would be a nice Christmas wish, you know? Yeah, that would probably be the highest thing on my list. Is that too honest? Maybe I should edit that out. I'll leave it in. I hope you appreciate the honesty of this Christmas tag. I feel like some of that went a little deeper than I had thought those questions would. But I enjoyed answering them. I like these kind of fun, get to know me vlogs. Until my next video, I will be all over my other channel. I'll be all over Instagram. You can check out the links that I link down to in that description box to all my romance novels. I have a fabulous holiday romance about a ship-shifting hunky reindeer that falls in love with a fabulous travel guide based out of the countryside in England, and as the snow falls on the soft English countryside, love brews magically. Ooh. So check that out. I linked all my other books as well as along with my Zazzle homeware shop, and you can buy great presents on there for all the parents and ladies with a sense of humor. You know, it's a great spot. You can get a pillow, mug, t-shirts, my tote bags that I design. That's a love thing. Click on over, check it out. Tell me which one's your favorite. I'm going to see you all over. And hey, thank you so much for giving these a thumbs up, subscribing, and, you know, coming around and being part of my channel this holiday season. I know that you're busy this time of year, and it's lovely to get to spend time together. See y'all around.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold